23rd March Resolution Day. History of Pakistan Day. On March 23rd, 1914, the Lahore Resolution was passed when rejected the concept of a united India and proposed the creation of an independent state for Muslims. Even though it did not actually mention Pakistan at all, the resolution paved the way for the creation of Pakistan on August 14, 1947, when Pakistan became the world's first Islamic republic. August 14th is celebrated as a holiday Independence Day to mark the resolution. The Minar-e-Pakistan was constructed during the 1960 on the site in Iqbal Park, where all the India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution. Long life Pakistan. Thank you.